Alright guys, let me explain. The Wealthy Affiliate platform. Can you make money with the Wealthy Affiliate platform? Here is the Wealthy Affiliate platform. The Wealthy Affiliate platform give you an opportunity to create your own online business. So if you are wondering whether the Wealthy Affiliate platform, you can make money on the Wealthy Affiliate platform. Whether you are a beginner online or you are an experienced online entrepreneur, the Wealthy Affiliate platform is all you need. So I'm just gonna show you real brief the platform right here. As you can see, here is my profile, and you can check me out. Yeah, my name is Mark here, and I've been in the platform since 2017. So you can check my profile out when you sign up. So this platform here, let me tell you what you can do. You can create your own online business on the platform. You can build a profitable online business. If you really want to, if you are a student or you are an employee, so you're looking for ways to make a side hustle. So here is my profile. If you're an employee, you're looking for ways to make money online. You want to supplement your 9 to 5 job. So this platform can help you build a successful online business so that you can make money from this and your work. You continue doing your work. If you're a student, this platform is for you. So as you can see me right there, I've been in the platform since 2017, and I have created my online business right here that are making me some money full time. So, and not only that, you can host your online business here, and you can learn how to do everything online, how to do affiliate marketing. Here are how to do Here are some classes that you can attend on the platform. Let me quickly show you. So here are classes that you can attend on the platform. You can attend WordPress. You can know about WordPress, how to build a online business with WordPress platform. You can learn how to choose your niche, how to research your niche. You can learn how to pay per click. So how to build a high successful pay advertising campaign. So if you want to learn how to be a YouTuber, you can also learn it here. Create a massive following on with technique directed from influencer YouTubers. So you want to be a copywriter, so you can learn everything here. You want to be affiliate marketer, you can learn it here. So you can learn about social media marketing also here. So you want to know about Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and so much more. You can also learn about email marketing and funnel marketing here. So it is all so available. So you can also learn about how to outsource your online business. So you want to scale your business, you want to learn how to do that, you can learn it here. So here is the training that's gonna get you started. If you are a starter, you just get into the online business. Here is the bootcamp training that's gonna walk you through the easy step by step. This is the same course that I took years back, and before I finish with this course here, I've already making money with my online business. So when you finish with this online certificate, then you want to go. If you finish with the affiliate bootcamp, you go to online entrepreneur certificate. It's where you are going to be making money with your online business. So as a starter on the platform, you have access to all the tools that you need to build your online business. So you want to buy you need a domain if you want to build a online business. You need website. So they have everything here for you. So this is domain. You want to create content. You want feedback from your business. You want support. You want site builder. Everything is available here for you. So let's say, for example, let's say you want to build a site. So let's go ahead and let me show you how to do that here. If you don't know even how to build a site, if you are a novice online, you will learn everything here. So here is it. They have free domain for you to build a site. So if you are new online, you don't have money to buy stuff, to buy domain. So you get free domain to get started. Then when you have money, you can upgrade to the premium and scale your business from there. So if you even have domain, other website, you can bring your domain or your business to the, you can migrate your domain or your business to the website. Here you can register your domains, register the name that you like. If you click on this box here, so for free website, you can click here. If you want to bring your domain here, you can just click there. So let's say I want to build free website here. When I click there, so it's just going to take me to where I'm going to complete here. You are going to type the name that you want to use for your website. Then you type the title of your website. Here is where you're gonna choose the design of your website. So these are themes that you can choose from. These are great WordPress themes that you can choose from. You have a load of them there. So it is very easy to build website here. And if you are ready to work, on your business, there is no way you are not going to make money online. So if you need help, let me show you where you can ask for help. Maybe when you need something, or when you are going through the classes, you don't understand some words or some classes on the platform, you just go to the here is the live chat. So these are live people here. These are people that you can quickly send message to. So let's say I want something. So you just write, hello, please can you help me? I am new here. Then you start chatting with them. They will direct you to where you can. They will show you what you can do. So if you have any problem, you can just come to the live chat here. Okay. When you sign up on the program, you have access to, you sign up and complete your registration here. It is free. It is free to get started. So you don't need your credit card to get started. So then when you want to scale your business, by then you can go to premium. So the testing out is free. So if you want to join the platform, the link is down below, and check the platform out. So I've been in the platform since 2017, so I know what I'm talking about here. So if you are new online, or you are hesitating, you are on the fence, you are asking yourself whether to join the platform or not. So this is the platform that you can join. So it is legit, and many people have succeeded on the platform. I've created my online business with the thanks to this platform here. So these are my website here. These are all my online business that I've created on the platform. So these are my online businesses here, so that are making me money on the platform. So if you want to join, there is no hesitate to join the platform. And if you join, if you want to message me right there, my name is Michael. Just message me, then I'll show you everything you need, some ways that you can take to make more money with your online business. So here's my profile. So here's my profile. Just message me on my profile, then I'll get in touch with you there. Okay. So if you want to get started, it's free to get started. So guys, if you have any question about this video here, let me know down below. Let me know, drop your comments and everything you want to say down below. Subscribe to this channel, and I'll give you more helpful way to make money online like this for you. Okay. So see you in the next video, and thanks for watching. Peace.